Cactus gardening is a fascinating hobby that has been gaining popularity in recent years. Cacti are low maintenance plants that are easy to care for and come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors. They are perfect for both indoors and outdoor gardening and can add a unique touch to any garden or living space. When starting a cactus garden, it is essential to select the right type of cactus for your location and space. There are numerous cacti species, each with their unique growing requirements. Some cacti require direct sunlight, while others thrive in partially shaded areas. Some prefer well-draining soil, while others can tolerate clay-like soil. Research the specific cactus species you are interested in growing and determine if it is suitable for your climate and environment. Cactus gardening can be done indoors by selecting small cacti that can fit on a windowsill or table. These plants require minimal watering and can survive in low light conditions. However, it is crucial to ensure they receive adequate sunlight and avoid overwatering, which can lead to root rot. Outdoor cactus gardening can be done in a variety of ways, such as in rock gardens or in containers. When planting cacti in the ground, ensure the soil is well draining to prevent root rot. Cacti planted in containers require special attention to ensure they don't become waterlogged and have adequate drainage. One of the most appealing features of cactus gardening is the variety of shapes and sizes available, from tall cylinder cacti to small round ones. There is a cactus suitable for any garden or living space. Mix and match different types of cacti to create a unique garden that's visually appealing and low maintenance. In conclusion, cactus gardening is a fascinating hobby that is easy to start and maintain. With the right selection of cacti and proper care, anyone can create a beautiful cactus garden that adds a unique touch to any living space. So why not give it a try and see what you can create with these fascinating and low maintenance plants?